What's good, YouTube? This is your boy Jay Hicks back with another video, and for the first time in a long time, I wouldn't say a long time, but in a while, this is actually not a sneaker video or one of regular podcast videos. So recently, well, a little bit more than recently, so over the past year almost, so I've been having this idea of something that I want to do, all right, which for me personally is to switch the interior of my truck. So those of you who know me, you all know I love customization, whether it's my truck or my four-wheeler or any vehicle for that matter. But I like to make it unique, and everything in regards to me always tells a story. So, and what makes it even more special is I'm doing it myself, all right? I'm not paying anyone. I'm doing everything myself, far as everything. When I say everything, every single thing. So take a ride with me up on this journey of changing the interior of my truck. So recently, if you all, well, not recently, it's been a couple months. Ooh, yeah, it's been a while, okay? But basically, you all saw my video. Hopefully you see my video. If you didn't see the video, just click right here. So whenever I switched out my factory radio to the Tesla style tablet, the big screen radio, all that, yeah, it's in my truck now. All right, go ahead and check that video out when you get a chance. So there was my first little snippet at changing the interior of my truck. Then after that, unfortunately, I never got around to posting the video because some clips were messed up. So my front seat actually came with the little bucket seat in the middle or whatever, but I wanted the entire center console. So basically I switched that out and I got the full center console with the extra storage and all of that. Dang, I didn't post that. But anyway, so now you all gonna take a journey with me of switching out the entire interior of my truck. So right now I have cloth seats, right? So I want to have leather seats. Unfortunately, I live in Texas, so summertime, yeah, I probably won't be in it as much, but we're just gonna see how that goes. We just worry about once we get to that part of the year or whatever. But for right now, I'm changing the interior, the entire color. So first thing first, I had to get leather seats. So people have been a little bit pricey far as, now I wouldn't say, some are pricey, yeah, of switching my cloth seats to leather seats. Others, not so pricey, but then also it's just because they're not that pricey and the work is so good, they're like, I can get a quote and be like, all right, we'll be able to do it 2 months from now, 3 months from now, all of that. Then I wait those 2 or 3 months, go back in and check how they told me to, and they say it's another 4 months or whatever. So I don't want to wait. Like summertime is almost here. Like today, like even today is a beautiful day. So I just took it upon myself, do some research, figure some things out. So this here will make it a lot, how can I say this? It'd be that much more special to me if I do it myself. So that's what I want to do. So breaking down everything that I've done so far, I went on Facebook Marketplace. I was actually able to find leather seats already that fit my truck, and also even it came with a center console as well. So that's one less thing I have to worry about. Now all I have to worry about is actually changing the color. So come with me as I take on this journey and let's clean these things. All right, so like I said, today is a beautiful day. So I was able to break these things down and start cleaning the leather. And I should have did before and after, but I got carried away. I was too excited. So got the headrest, this is the driver's seat, passenger seat, Got a center console. Actually comes with the charging port, the wireless charger, which I did not and do not currently have in my truck. So the video on how I'm going to get that to work is going to be awesome. I broke all of this down. These pieces, got them all cleaned. The back seats, which I love the most, is I got so much extra storage now. So that's on both sides. So yeah, can't wait, can't wait, can't wait. Stay tuned.